Hello and welcome to my channel, F.A.B Blast. Today we are going to make this beautiful large wall clock. For that you are needed some sticks, some colorful sticks, glue and number stickers. So to make it, join sticks in a zigzag way like this I am making right now. So I have made it the half part right here. Now you have to join the colorful sticks at the edges of our wall clock. So here is our final product and it's really very beautiful. From F.A.B Blast by Anvita. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.